If you don't like boring history lessons but still want to learn cool facts, then stick around. Kolkata, formerly known as Calcutta, is not just a city. It's a living museum. Did you know it was the capital of British India until 1911? And here's a quirky one. Kolkata has the oldest operating tram network in Asia. Talk about a vintage ride. The iconic Howrah Bridge, built without nuts and bolts, holds the record for the busiest cantilever bridge in the world. Imagine over 100,000 vehicles crossing it daily. Feeling hungry? Kolkata is home to the legendary Kathi roll, a must-try street food. Oh, and bookworms rejoice. The National Library of India here is the largest in the country. From historic temples to vibrant festivals, Kolkata's cultural tapestry is unmatched. So, which fact wowed you the most? Let us know in the comments below.